In this video I'm going to show you how to change the light color for the AOC Agon AGM700. So this is the mouse, and with their official program from AOC you'll be able to change the color from the logo and the one from the scroll. So what you need to do is to go on Google and type AGM700 download software, and most likely you will land on this page, downloads for AGM700. So what you need to do is to download this program called Gmenu. You click on download and you install it. So here is the program. I already installed it. In my case, I also have an AOC monitor, and this is the mouse. So from this menu you click on Light FX, and from here you will see the mouse in real time with the colors and some effects. It can be static, like yellow, both on the scroll and the logo, or cyan. You can pick random, and this will do a cycle between random colors. It has a breathing effect. So on this side you can see how the mouse changes the colors in real time. You can also pick here from the bottom some options like brightness. However, you cannot set it to 10 or 20%. It has only 3 levels. Once you finish, you click apply, and that's pretty much it. And also a blink effect. For this mouse, you have only 2 zones that have light on the scroll and on the logo. You cannot change the light from this button, which is displaying the M letter, and neither for this DPI panel. You cannot change the color. Usually they just remain red. So this is how you can change the light color for this mouse, the Agon AGM700. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.